Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Apex Legends not opening. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, and now check for updates. Make sure you have the latest update here and then go back, and now go to View Advanced System Settings, then click Settings and adjust for best performance. Click apply and OK, and then close it. And after that, go to GeForce Experience and click check for updates, and then make sure to install the latest update if you find it. And now just restart your PC, and after starting your PC try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now just try to uninstall it and install it again. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.